Hi everyone. SSC में top government exams के experience में बाहर बमक्तरा GKGS Manipur welcome तौजरी मतम खरा GKGS Manipur न इसागी और personal problem मसुं unavoidable circumstances खरा नमरम ओरकांड video थागत पंगम जाहोद्रब मतुंगा असी GKGS Manipur न मयाम गी request की मतुंगिना यहाँ हानबा कोई अमु continue तो बोना current affairs की video अमु पुदुन लाक्सरी असी current affairs की video से कोई weekly the best of what the current video organic have the weekly current affairs I direct Duga high current affairs of 1st March to 9 March to talk about important events in the best of Adumba video nika aduga I saw the GKGS Manipur weekly current affairs of Monday natraga matung tarakpada Monday natraga Tuesday the soy na purak na bahana jage aduga akhoi GKGS Manipur na soy na tung tarak po matamda akhoi SSC gi upcoming exams amasung atopa government exams of 2025 ta important or topic sing the topic was oina video class kya ama puduna laksaki gani maram aduna GKGS Manipur gi channel sibu subscribe tawdriba kogi experiencing brothers and sisters in subscribe tokshin biro aduga atopa experiencing and atopa brothers and sisters in the share amasung share tokshin biduna and like tawduna support tawbiyo haina ningsing jari masi hara kanda ngasigi video gi ahan ba question yengjingai da hida piri ba kogi chawrakpa kogi question jingje question mari aina piri ko aduga ngasigi kogi video se exam oriented oina tawbani MCQ format ogani ko MCQ format ogani aduna sigi question jing de paging mina se which space agency is preparing to launch the SpareX telescope SpareX telescope se karam space agency na launch obagi prepare tarokanda lairabano na hangi ko sigi kogi khangal question ngatni ko and what is the theme for the World Wildlife Day 2024 World Wildlife Day 2025 ki sorry ko 2025 hagado marakta ngang bada soki yaw su mayam dum ngakpi gani ka themje kari no ni who was honored with the Forbes India Leadership Awards recently ka who was recently appointed as the first ever woman Union Law Secretary yan hanba women Union Law Secretary natra kana ba appointed tawna yamna maru ore ka somba question sing yaw gani kuma aduna yengasi hanba question da whose country ranked first on the Global Terrorism Index 2025 Global Terrorism Index 2025 ta GTI 2025 ta karamba country ne first rank ta laibu no hona koi option de yang se option number A de India option number B de Pakistan and option number C de Afghanistan and option number D da Burkina Faso na koi option mari pi de ka so correct option je ma'am bitang ngatang choose to biro ka the choose to dungai da Global Terrorism Index je kana ne release to bono sai ra ki ka ma se koi the Institute for Economic and Peace na release to bani ko Institute for Economics and Peace na release to bani masigi akogi haiba sigi organization jina sigi Global Terrorism Index release to bani ko ma aduga haiba Global Terrorism Index da akogi Burkina Faso haiba sigi option number D sina akogi first rank ta laigani first rank ta aduga second ta akogi Pakistan na laigani sina Pakistan na second rank ta aduga India na akogi 14 suba rank ta laigani so sumai to the question number 1 se ma'am understand to mean with this next question to continue to who was recently appointed as the first ever women union law secretary yam maru ore first ever ihan han women union law secretary to kana appointed to bonon hang mane so with this yang asi option the Sonakshi Singh Mahima Chaudhary Nimita Singh Anju Rathi Rana and option mari pide ko so here akogi picture the ure that is Anju Rathi Rana ko picture the ure so with this option number D is the correct option Anju Rathi Rana has been appointed as the first ever women union law secretary ko the next time we who won the fight World Junior Chess Championship 2025 World Junior Chess Championship 2025 kanana won oikino kanana mai pakibno Gukesh nara option number A da option number B da Pragananda nara Pranab Venkatesh nara option number D da Pentala Hari Krishna na hangi akhoi option mari pire sumai tawdana ka sigi option mari sida akhoi picture do su ure that is Grandmaster Pranab B na hai ko Pranab B is kanana Pranab Venkatesh na option number D sine ko is only kitoba 18 years tangari ka 18 years tangari aduga hai ba sigi ꯑꯩꯈꯣꯏꯒꯤ ꯋꯥꯔꯜ ꯆꯦꯁ ꯆꯦꯝꯄꯤꯌꯟꯁꯤꯞ 2025 ꯁꯦ ꯀꯗꯥꯏꯗ ꯄꯥꯡꯊꯣꯛꯈꯤꯕꯅꯣꯅ ꯍꯥꯏꯕ ꯃꯇꯝꯗ ꯃꯁꯤ ꯃꯣꯟꯇꯦꯅꯦꯒ꯭ꯔꯣ ꯍꯥꯏꯔꯤꯕ ꯃꯐꯝꯁꯤꯗ ꯄꯥꯡꯊꯣꯛꯈꯤꯕ ꯁꯤꯁꯨ ꯈꯪꯖꯤꯟꯕꯤꯔꯣꯀꯣ ꯃꯣꯟꯇꯦꯅꯦꯒ꯭ꯔꯣ ꯍꯥꯏꯔꯤꯕ ꯃꯐꯝꯁꯤꯗ ꯑꯩꯈꯣꯏ ꯄꯥꯡꯊꯣꯛꯈꯤ ꯀꯣ so sumai tawdana akhoi next question number 4 da continue tawrsi who has been appointed as the chairman and managing director of Hindustan Petroleum Corporation Limited in March 2025 March 2025 ta kanabu CMD chairman and managing director of Hindustan Petroleum Corporation Limited SPCL gi ka chairman oina kanabu appointed tawkhibano hangi option number A da Sanjay Kumar option number B da Vikas Kaushal and option number C da Ramesh Gupta and option number D da Rajiv Sharma ko okay option mari pire aduga picture dus mayam no ubire ko that is Vikas Kaushal option number B is the correct option here ko with this next question namu continue to our question number 5 which two new locations have been recently chosen for the expansion of the Cheetah introduction program after Kuno National Park Kuno National Park ki matungda karamba location ani bu akhoi Cheetah introduction program ki matungina ko choose tawkibano hange location ani choose tawkiba location ani duni ko koina dei sigi option si dagi akhoi correct option choose tawdise with the option jing ki jing minor Jim Corbett National Park and Ranthambore National Park option number A the option number B the Sundarban National Park and Gir National Park and option number C the Bani Grassland and Gandhi Sagar Sanctuary and option number D the Kaziranga National Park and Sariska Tiger Reserve and option mari pire myam dagi correct option myam khanbi ro ko myam soidna khangbiramagni na khanjai ko aduga correct option se laktungai da akhoi news ta yawrabani na hairiba national park sing se kadai da laibano ha sa ni sigi sigi Kuno National Park ha se kadai da laibano an haiba matam da Kuno National Park se akhoi MP that is Madhya Pradesh da lai ka and sigi akhoi here the correct option is masigi question ki correct option is option number C ogini ka Bani Grassland and Gandhi Sagar Sanctuary aduga sigi Bani Grassland sina kadai da laibano an haiba matam da Gujarat lai ka Gujarat aduga sigi Gandhi Sagar Sanctuary ko sina kai lamgino hana habta sisu akhoi Madhya Pradesh natra MP de lai ko with this akhoi me understand to biramone an thajai aduna next question number 6 to continue to say who accepted the honorary order of freedom of Barbados on behalf of PM Narendra Modi Prime Minister Narendra Modi ki mahutta khaiba sigi honorary order of freedom of Barbados ki akhoi civilian award sai tare ko si ja khoi aseng badi Prime Minister Narendra Modi da confer tawne adu Prime Minister Narendra Modi se on some occasions maram khara dagi khoi some reasons khara dagi ma se lawba sat pangam ja aduna ma ki mahutta kanana accepted tawbano na hange ko sigi hu sine khona khum de se ka ado akhoi external affairs ministry akhoi S. Jai Shankar Nara, aduga Defense Ministry Rajnath Singh Nara, aduga External Affairs of State Ministry Pavitra Margarita Nara, aduga Home Minister Amit Shah Nara, and option may be so here the correct option is that is option number C, Pavitra Margarita Nanika. I'm so I can understand the with this next question to continue to say what is the name of the exercise conducted by the Indian Air Force in February 2025 to enhance Tri-service synergy is enhanced on the Tri-service synergy have the India gi Indian Air Force, Indian Navy, Indian Navy, Army, and Air Force singsi gi markta akhoi haiba akhoi moi ahum sigi marakta hai tare ko force ahum sigi marakta complete akhoi coordination and cooperation phajana phagalanna bagi damakta lokhatpa adomba program amni ko coordination amasung cooperation se phagalanna bagi damakta lokhatpa program amni ko aduda akhoi Indian Air Force na silla kanda pangthokiba adomba exercise to be maming kari ko bano na hang option number A da exercise desert thunder ko exercise desert hunt exercise desert snake exercise desert struck and option mari p here the correct option is that is option number kya wayani me amade tadi option number B is the correct option exercise desert hunt ko ida akhoi Indian gi army gi para SF navy gi akhoi mo special force marcos natra garud commandos makoi singse loina join to ki ko aduga khaiba masigi se kadai da pangthok kim exercise desert hunt se kadai da pangthok kim no haina haba matam da makse jodhpur to pangthok ki jodhpur ko to put the pangthoki ko si so mayam ning biro ko with this yengase what is the theme for the World Wildlife Day 2025 World Wildlife Day 2025 ki theme kari no na hangi ko yengase forest and livelihoods sustaining planet option number A the option number B the save wildlife for people and planet. Option number C, the wildlife conservation finance, investing in people and planet. And option number D, the wildlife conservation's predators under threat. Option Mari P de ko. Haribo option sida correct option se mayam choose to biro adu choose to drungai da. Haribo World Wildlife Day se khoi every annually 3rd March kudingi ko March 3 kudingi khoi pangtho e ko 3rd March da. Karigino haina habi matamda akhoi wildlife conserve tawba amasung akhoi habitat conserve tawbase akhoi people da amasung akhoi world gi yamna maru oi habase ko masigi awareness se mingon da yohanna bugi damakta pangthokpa adumba World Wildlife Day se ko pangthokpa ne aduna here masigi theme di karino habi matamda option number C that is wildlife conservation finance investing in people and planet habi akhoi 2025 ki oina World Wildlife Day ki theme. Now question number 9 so a concept grab to with this next question the question number 10 or so question number 9 is so the mark the typing mistake yoba ngang the so we out so na pi den ka which space agency is preparing to launch the SpareX telescope SPACREX ko sigi telescope sa kan space agency na launch to be prepared or live no and hangi ka so ISRO nara Jakshanara Akshanara ko then Nasanara hangi ko so here the correct option is that is NASA. NASA is preparing to launch the SpareX telescope. So with this next question, the continue to our question number 10 which team won the 19th edition of the Ranji Trophy? Ranji Trophy की 19th edition karamba team na mai pakibano na hangi ko Vidarbha, Mumbai, Kolkata, Kerala haina khoi option mari pi ko yenga se du taragade Kerala di second position runners up fangkiba dom bo podi peno done option amadi haire ko the option ahom ji mung da amadi oramni ko duga correct option ji haide ngai da Ranji Trophy che khoi kam matam da establish to kino ha matam da 1934 amasung 35 da establish to kino ma'am so understand to biramni ko ma che hek hor ko matam da khoi na kari haira ga khangna me cricket championship of India gi title se chatna me cricket championship of India haina so khangnai ma se ka initial he ko matam aduna Ranji Trophy si yamaru oi aduga hariba antak sahi gi 19th edition ki oina mark se khoi kana na mai pa ki Vidarbha team jina mai pa ki ko so with this, next question to continue to question number 11. Which Indian tennis player won the men's double title at the Sile Open 2025? Sile Open 2025 the men's double title the mai pak pada yaw ki ba dum ba Indian tennis player di maming kari ko no an hangi ma ki counter ma ki kedo partner amaga ko aduga India gi keno duga ko player duga ko adu India player du maming dune khoi hangi sida ko Rohan Bopanera Ritbik Bolipali Sanjay Malhotra Carlos Alcaraz and akhoi option mari pi Carlos Alcaraz de khoi India gi na trainer tra dutari marks cancel to khone option hom tangai re then from this remaining three options the correct option is option number B that is Ritbik Bolipali ko Ritbik Bolipali ni aduga mang India gi leire aduga ma ki teammate hai tare aduna kanai kari maming ko bono ha matam da Nicolas Barrientos koiko Nicolas Barrientos koiko kailam gino Colombia gini ko Colombia see mayam singbiro with this next question the question number 2 you have to continue to see which ministry launched the Saksak Panchayat Netri Abhiyan Saksak Panchayat Netri Abhiyan se karma ministry na launch obono na hangi ko option number A the Ministry of Home Affairs option number B the Ministry of Agriculture and option number C the Ministry of Rural Development and option number D the Ministry of Panchayati Raj ko yang ase du taragadi akhoi Saksak Panchayat Netri Abhiyan se ma ki pandam se karino ha matam da koi nupi singi ko habdi Panchayati Raj institution gi lairiba nupi sing elected representative haitare elected representative of the Panchayati Raj institution gi makoi elected representatives ki skill ko makoi gi skill mo chu makoi gi skill se strengthening tong no gi hai tar hai thoi sing thoi be hengat na bi tamak lokhat pa dom ba scheme nom ne ko aduna here the correct option is that is option number D Ministry of Panchayati Raj in launch to ba adom ba scheme nom ne ko sakshat Panchayat Metri Abhiyan ko Panchayat chu pallam ne na mayam so then understand to be ramani ko with this question number 13 the continue to question number 13 where was India's first World Peace Center recently inaugurated India gi ihan hanba World Peace Center se kadai da inaugurated to gibanon hangi ka yeng se Chennai Kolkata Gurugram Lucknow and option mari pire ko so kanana kadai da inaugurated to gibano ha matamda that is option number C Gurugram Haryana ko kanagi makhada kanagi makhada karamba leadership kanagi makhada akoi inaugurated to gibano ha matamda under the leadership of the Zen Asurya Lokesh Muni hai tare ko under the leadership of Asurya Lokesh Muni ko maki makhada inaugurated to gibano Ma'am, with this question number 13 is to understand our money and thazai ka. Okay, question number 14 da continue to see question number 14 da yang se which payload of India's Aditya L1 mission captured the first ever image of solar flare kernel ko. Yan han ba solar flare kernel se sigi picture se akoi Aditya L1 mission ki karamba payload na capture to gibano na hangbani ko Aditya L1 mission je khoi India gi ihan han ba numit sun study tong ba tha khat ki ba dum ba satellite amani ko duko yenga si option the x-ray spectrometer solar ultraviolet imaging telescope should ko natra the visible emission line coronagraph and option number D the high energy L1 orbiting X-ray spectrometer and option mari pire ko and here the correct option is that is option number B suchini ko solar ultraviolet imaging telescope ko Aditya L1 mission gi ko sigi payload china capture to ki ihan hanba solar flare image that is kernel ko so then understand to biramogani with this question number 15 the continue tours who was honored with the fourth India leadership awards recently nitra fourth India leadership award se kanada honor to gibano hangni Yang situ tadi Virat Kohli de tokibra MS Dhoni Rohit Sharma and Jay Shah ko so then khangam mani se akhode de tadi akhoi piriba akhoi personality mari se cricket ka loina mari leina banga tani amati ke akhoi ahum amdi cricket player ni amadi natte na tra Jay Shah aduga nattaba Jay Shah sini ko here the correct option oidu se ko Jay Shah do honor to ki kari the fourth India leadership award se ko maha ki makhada akhoi ki cricket se maha ki leadership makhada cricket se yamna phagal e na akhoi Indian cricket board se yam phagal e na ko aduga recent now he was the kedoba akhoi ICC gi chairman e ma chu chu ki ko current chairman of ICC ni ko myam so then understand to biramo ne thajai ko with this akhoi next question the question number 16 the continue to who has recently been re-elected as the chairman of the Bar Council of India re-elected to kiba 7 times on ni ko myam si ai panjarang ke 7 times on ma ke 7 consecutive times sai tare ma ke chairman of Bar Council of India ge India oina kanabu re-elected to kino na hangi option da yeng se Sanjay Malhotra Narayan Burma, Manan Kumar Mishra, Arun Murthy. Okay, option mari pide ka. So, adu tardi okay picture do sure that is myam so okay hanjin re-elected to ni na hanas paramagni na khanjai ka. That is option number C. Manan Kumar Mishra has been re-elected as the chairman of the Bar Council of India. Ka. With this question number 16 lore, question number 17 we continue to say which country officially declared English as its national language ka. Okay, kedauba karamba country na ko English se ma ki oiba national language oina declare to no sini se ko okay yang se India US Britain Australia ko option mari pire ko aduga akhoi gi Donald Trump se mokai Donald Trump se uba ka picture se uba me amna khangbira mani that is USA ko USA ne declare to ki ko karamba data on March 1 2025 ta USA na English se mokoi national language ne na declare to gre ko kari gi mark se hana declare to gre no ha do de hana khoi mamang da national language on declare to gre no ha do de myam yeng biro ko why have in di myam di homa oi biro hai tare ko So with this akhoi next time continue to question number 18. Which two government public sector companies were granted Navaratna status by the government of India in March 2025? March 2025 ta Navaratna status grant tawkraba adumba government public sector companies ani dui maming kari no hangi ko Bell or Nalco ko Bharat Electronics Limited and National Aluminium Company Limited. Option number A da. Option number B da Indian Oil Corporation Limited IOCL or Oil and Natural Gas Corporation Limited ONGC. And option number C, the Indian Railway Catering and Tourism Corporation IRCTC and Indian Railway Finance Corporation IRFC. And option number D, the Hindustan Petroleum Corporation Limited SPCL and Bharat Petroleum Corporation Limited BPCL. Sigi option mari sidagi karamba option sina akoina sumdu se and haiba matamda that is option number C is the correct option. With this akoi kedoba Navaratna status fangaba company kya surabano hamatan company kuntaruk sure aduga IR sigi haiba IRCTC sina akoi 25th subani aduga kedoba Indian Railway Finance Corporation IRFC na 26th subani ka. So then understand of Viramon and Kanjai. With this next question, the question number 19, the continue to see. Question 19, the who won the double titles at the Dubai Tennis Championship 2025? Dubai Tennis Championship 2025, the double titles kanana low kibano na hangiko. Koisi pusilay si maram de ko India masam so yoram manibuko. Aduna maram orakan India masaya uta the domyam. Maru natra. Options in game say Yuki Bumbry and Alexei Popirin natra. The idea Hari option B, the Hari Helio Vara and Rohan Bopani. And option number C, the Matthew Ebden and Jamie Murray. And option D, the John Pierce and Henry Patten. And option Marie Pire. And here the correct option is, that is option number A, Yuki Bumbry and Alexei Popirin. Yuki Bumbry and Alexei Popirin. Option is the correct option. Number A is the correct option here. With this question number 20, the continue to how many river dolphins were recorded in the first ever estimation survey released on March 3, 2025? March 3, 2025 to give estimation survey first ever estimation survey to the river dolphins cam recorded to give no hanging. Option number A, the 6,100, 6,327. Option number C, the 5,990. And option number D, the 6,000. And option mari pire aduga mayam hida yengamo picture the ure total population je kya no 6,327. That is the correct option is option number B, 6,327. Aduga khwaidagi yam na Laigiba akogi state sina akogi river dolphin population yam laiba state sina kalai dano UP Uttar Pradesh tani aduga second dana Bihar and third dana West Bengal and fourth dana Assam ko aduga river dana karamba river da Ganga mainstream da ko yam na dolphin ki population phangiba river sa Ganga mainstream da ko and second dana Ganga tributaries and third dana Brahmaputra mainstream ko yam so na khangbiramani ko. With this akoi yengasi next question number 21. Which country has recently become the world's third largest biofuel producer? World ki third largest biofuel producer to karamba country no na hange ka yengasi adui taragati option number A, the India, option number B, the China, and option number 3, the C, the USA, and option number D, the Russia. And here the correct option is, that is India. Pass na kanano, pass ki kanano have done a mayangi homa or sika. See options in the dum yoro manika. Now I am yang biro, search to biro. And next question number 23. You see, where is the second phase of the Khelo India Winter Games 2025 scheduled to be held? Karamba jagada Khelo India Winter Games pangthok to be scheduled to bonon hangi Manali, Simla, Guwahati, Gulmarg natra koi pi de ko koi mafam ahum di Jammu and Kashmir natra laiba koi gi jaga amni natra sorry ko adu ta di yengase. Here, the correct option is, that is option number D, Gulmarg. Gulmarg. Jammu and Kashmir Gulmarg hai mafam sida aduga kaidauba masigi Khelo India Winter Games 2025 sa khoi March 9 to 12 ta pangthokani. Mase hana khoi February gi 22 to 25 ta pangthokani na torambane ko adubu kaidauba mas postpone tawkre ko postpone tawgre kaina maram orakanda khoi mafam duda insufficient snowfall laibdagi haidi snowfall phajana ta tabna maram orakan postpone torakanda March 9 to 12 de pangthokani hina akhoi schedule tawbane ko Khelo India Winter Games 2025 se ko. So with this next question, the question number 23 d yang who recently took the oath as the new chancellor of Austria, no chancellor of Austria kana no one hangi ko. So Karl Nehammer ko and Christian Stoker, Alexander Schallenbach, Brigitte Bierlein, and option mari pire ko. Aduga picture the sure that is Christian Stoker is the correct option here ko. New chancellor of Austria ko. With this new next question, the question number 24, the continue to see. Which institution released a report titled From Borrowers to Builders? From Borrowers to Builders, Women's Roles in India's Financial Growth Stories. Karamba institution released Obanon Hangiko. Which institution released a report amani title dunakari From Borrowers to Builders, Women's Role in India's Financial Growth Story ko. Yang Niti Aayog nara RBI nara, SEBI nara, SBI nara, and option mari pibasta. And here the correct option is that is option number A, Niti Aayog niko. Niti Aayog, and with in collaboration with kana collaborate or kind of release open and have a matam that in collaboration with Kanaga TransUnion Civil ko and Kanaga Microsoft Consulting haiba farm ani siga loinana ko collaborate or kan release tawba dum report amne ko aduga si kanana akhoi sigi report se kanana release tawbano ha matamda adu personality de hoji ki akhoi CEO or Niti Aayog ki akhoi gi BBR Subramaniam natra mangna release tawbane ko Ma'am Niti Aayog ki video yang bidriba and 5 years plan si video yang bidriba ai ki playlist sanga kan yang biro and ai description do link soidana hapsarange ko dodam tang go through to yang video dom Niti Aayog kamasung ko ki 5 years plan se je ko gi every SSC exam ko ding dom question hangan ba tare dom ba topic amani ko dona ma'am yang video yamna kana gani khanja yang dribisil now sing ko and with this next question, the question number 25 ta continue to see. In which state or UT is the second edition of the Khelo India Para Games 2025 scheduled to take place from March 20 and 27, 2025. March 20 to 27, 2025 to Khelo India Para Games. Ngasai akhoi naina kribduna Khelo India Games have using Khelo India Para Games have nika. That is scheduled to take place. Kadai that pangthok tingona hangmanika. So yengase Maharashtra dara, Delhi dara, Karnataka dara, Gujarat dara and hangiko. So yengase here the correct option is option number B. That is Delhi the nika. Delhi the pangthok is scheduled to and it was announced by Kanan announced over Union Ministers of Youth Affairs and Sports. Union Minister maming kay kowa Minister of Youth Affairs and Sports ko maming kay kowa ba Mansukh Mandavia natra maming je nising bi ko hantak GD gi exam da so ko gi minister maming adum hangbani ko aduna maming sugumba minister gi akogi important oiba sugumba maming je adum nising ba phai ko Mansukh Mandavia ko Union Ministry of Youth Affairs and Sports ko. So with this next question, the continue to question number 26. In whose country was the Mobile World Congress 2025 organized? Mobile World Congress 2025 so kada organized over non hangi ko. Yang si Germany, there is Spain, there are United States, there are France, there are an option mari pire ko. The mako picture si the the kang amni Barcelona palak ta kada no is me am kang biram ni. Adubo Mobile World Congress haiba masigi meeting hai tare masig biggest event se kari related oibno hana have matamda akhoi technology amasung mobility ga mari laini bako aduna masigi hariba mobile world congress 2025 so kada organized tokino and have matamda akhoi Barcelona, that is Spain, the organized tokibako from kaidagi kada kam batang den ta kya phok 3 to 6 March phok ta ko the pangthoki So you understand the Viramanika. With this next question, the question number 27, the continue to say, which countries were excluded from the 2026 FIFA World Cup? 2026 FIFA World Cup tagi karamba countries who excluded karamba countries who excluded Ukraine, Russia, and Brazil. Option number A, and option number B, Pakistan, Russia, and Congo. And option number C, Russia, Italy, and Japan. And option number D, South Africa, Syria, and Russia. Option mari pire ka so hai ba 2026 ki FIFA World Cup cha khoi jointly country ahum khang na pul laganda host to gadom ne ko jointly hosted to be hosted jointly by kana na pul laganda hosted to dino by the USA natra USA, Canada, and Mexico. Adon sidi akhoi Canada, USA, Mexico na host to goduba adumba game amne FIFA World Cup 2026 sabja adona yenga se akhoi Canada yaw option yawbra yawdre natra US adu tar di kamba country bo akhoi excluded to we ham matam that is Pakistan, Russia, and Congo. Mako high country home excluded to mayam marakta background noise yaw targa so mayam na ngakpi gani ko amu kan gari ga samu kan thori e ko do gi dang to mayam ngakpi gani Pakistan, Russia, Congo ko high country home se khagi World Cup 2026 ki FIFA World Cup 2026 tagi excluded to so with this next question, the question number 28 amu continue to say Liu Jiakun, the architect and educator who won the 2025 Pritzker Architecture Prize is from whose country? Karamba country they belong to no and hangmani Liu Jiakun je kedawa akoi Pritzker Architect Prize fangraba 2025 kedumba ni pa me adumba personality ni ko higher personality se akoi kedawa karamba country they belong to no ni option number A is Japan, China, South Korea, Vietnam ko Liu Jiakun ko yang se adui tar de akoi Pritzker Architect Prize akoi kari har skang na Nobel Prize of Architecture haigasu maasi khangnei aduna maakse kedawa adum important oiba adumba awards prize makhalam ne ka aduga Canada award oiba masigi Nobel Prize of Architecture that is Pritzker Architecture Prize Liu Jiakun the pi ko aduga maakse Chinese ne China belong to ko so may understand to biramone with this next question the question number 29 the continue to International Women's Day 2025 is celebrated on whose date? Karamba date celebrated to buno na hangi ka. International Women's Day at March, 6 March, 7 March, 5 March and option mari pire and picture the sure that is at March 2025 sa ko International Women's Day and celebrated to ka. Doga theme of 2025 na kay no theme 2025 of International Women's Day sa karino na hangak po matam tara di ko for all women and girls rights, equality, and empowerment habis 2025 ki theme ni ko ma cheso ma amna khangjin bio rights, equality, and empowerment se ko so with this next question to continue to question number 30 da on is that Jan Uswadi Diwas 2025 is celebrated. Karamba data Jan Uswadi Diwas is celebrated to 6 March, 7 March, 8 March, 9 March, and here the correct option is that is 7 March ta akhoi gi kedoba Jan Uswadi Diwas celebrated to ko akhoi gi sigi hariba sigi Jan Uswadi Diwas kari gi celebrated to ino haina hangmatam da it was to raise awareness about अखोगी प्रधानमंत्री की मागे स्कीम हम लाइबदो भारतीय जनौषधि परियोजना है ना को अखोई स्कीम दो है पतंग इजरके को to raise awareness about प्रधान मंत्री भारतीय जनौषधि परियोजना है ना परियोजना हाइना अखोगी स्कीम अम लेबदो अदुगी अवेयरनेस रेस तौनबगिदमो अमसुंग अखोगी कैनोदा इंडिया दा जेनेरिक मेडिसिन प्रमोट तौनबगिदमो टू प्रमोट जेनेरिक मेडिसिन अखोई इंडिया दा जेनेरिक मेडिसिन से प्रमोट तौनबगिदमो अखोई सेलिब्रेट तौबा अदुम दियो समने का एंड हंतक चही की 2025 की थीम दी करीनो थीम ऑफ 2025 दी करीनो हामे तमदा अखोगी दाम कम एंड द वाई तम हाइबसे अखोई हंतक चही की थीम ने मैम so I don't understand with this next question the question number 31 to continue to say what is the theme of the festival of letters 2025 festivals of letter 2025 ki theme je kari non hangi yeng ase option number A da literature and modern Indian literary traditions and option number C the poetry and prose of India and option number D the evolution of Indian writing and option mari pi da aduga hai ba correct option je mayam je so din understand to biramani ka aduga ka gone khanje adugo option je hai dingai da ai si festival of letters have festival je kari no da ka chawrang hai jange khoi gi hai ba festival of letters ya khoi Sahitya Academy mayam so din maming tabiramani natra Sahitya Academy na khoi gi pangthokpa organize toba adumba festival amane ko sahi da ongtang organize over mokoi festival amane hai tare saike da academy gi over annual festival amane ko hada ka da pangthoki haba matam da khoi Rabindra Bhavan da pangthoki ko hantak sahi gi oina kadai da leiba New Delhi da leiba in New Delhi da leiba Rabindra Bhavan da pangthoki ko do kadai 7 to 12 March da pangthoki अदो करम मिनिस्ट्री की मखादा पांथोपनो हाय तागद मैम सिदी इराइलाइन खंबिरमनि दैट इज मिनिस्ट्री ऑफ कल्चर की मखादा पांथोपनि का अदुगा साहित्य अकादमी ना चाही गुदिंग पांथोपा सिगुम्बा एनुअल फेस्टिवल अमनि को खोगे फेस्टिवल ऑफ लेटर्स 2025 से अदुगा हाइब फेस्टिवल ऑफ लेटर्स 2025 की थीम जे करिनो हम मतम इंडियन लिटरेरी ट्रेडिशंस हाइब ऑप्शन नंबर बी इज द करेक्ट ऑप्शन हियर का सो विद दिस नेक्स्ट क्वेश्चन द क्वेश्चन नंबर 32 द कंटिन्यू टू ट्रॉपिकल साइक्लोन अल्फ्रेड को Tropical cyclone maming na kari Alfred is currently impacting the eastern coast of his country. Karamba eastern country ki eastern coast impact to bano an hangi ka. So yeng ase du tar de Australia gira, Philippines gira, India gira, Madagascar gira. Ako picture the sure. That is Australia. Option number A is the correct option here ka. So with this next question, the question number 33 don't continue to say which country is hosting the Sea Dragon exercise 2025? Sea Dragon exercise 2025 ja karamba countries na host tawbano na hangi ka India na host tawdira United States na host tawdira Australia na host tawdira Japan na host tawdira hangi ka sigi Sea Dragon exercise se akhoi gi multinational exercise amni ka multinational naval exercise amni मैम सोचना खंबीर हमने का मल्टीनेशनल नेवल एक्सरसाइज हमने का कोई नेशन अमा अनी खंगना कने तो का तो बना तब नेशन मरी मंगा पुसी लगांदा को नेवी की एक्सरसाइज हमने का कना कना नेवी नो ना हाई मतलब दा कोई यूएसए की यूनाइटेड स्टेट्स नेवी ने यूनाइटेड स्टेट्स नेवी ने अदुगा कोई इंडियन नेवी ने अदाइदे अहम सुबदा अखोगी जापान की मखोगी नेवी ने जापान मेरीटाइम सेल्फ डिफेंस फोर्स हैना खंगनाबनी को मखोगी नेवी में मेरीटाइम सेल्फ डिफेंस फोर्स हैना खंगनाबनी मखोगी जापान नेवी की ममिंग अदुगा ऑस्ट्रेलिया की अमने रॉयल ऑस्ट्रेलियन को अदुगी अमने अदाइदे अखोई के तौबा नेक्स्ट रिपब्लिक ऑफ कोरिया नेवी को मखोइसिंगसिना पुलप पुनसिल्लाकांदा अखोइगी केदौबा पांगथोकपा अदुम्बा एक्सरसाइज हमने हाय तारे को तौबा एक्सरसाइज हमने अदु हंदा होस्ट कंट्री से करम कंट्री नो हम मतंदा दैट इज ऑप्शन नंबर बी यूनाइटेड स्टेट्स ना होस्ट तौदिनी हंदा के हंदा सही gi oina ko so with this next question the question number 34 da yes who have been selected for the prestigious 2024 ACM AM Turing Award and higher ko karamba kanabu hun hai muni ko kanabu akoi gi prestigious or 2024 ki ACM AM Turing Award ki damak selected tawbano and ko who have been and have been ko myam jeng ase the picture the sure that is Andrew Barto and Richard Sutton ko Andrew G Barto and Richard Sutton that is both option A and B ko and hairiba masigi akhoi AM Turing Award se AM Turing Award se kari gidamakta tholino han haiba matamda akhoi masigi maming se Alan Matheson Turing han haibani ko Alan Matheson Turing AM haibadi ko anu ma se kari hana khangnai ba khona father of computer science ko computer science hara kan khangnai ba ko aduga haiba masigi ACM Turing Award se akhona kai doba Nobel Prize in Computing hara khangnai ba Nobel Prize in computing aduna masigi prize su maru oye ko ma duga ACM haibagi arthana karino ha matamda Association for Computing Machinery and habani ko ACM habadi Association for Computing Machinery habne habadi kaigino ha matamda masigi prize se sigi ACM sine announce to bagini ko Association mami ayatang ijaram ge ko ma Association for Computing Machinery haba sigi haiba association sina akhoi gi gedauba AM Turing Award se announce toiba aduna pula punsila kanda akhoi ACM AM Turing Award haibni ko AM habdi Alan Matheson Turing haibni ko Alan Matheson Turing Award han haibni ko duga haiba Alan Matheson Turing ke khon kai har khangeba father of computer science ara khangeba duga 2024 gi oina kana bu selected toiba Andrew G. Berto and Richard S. Sutton bu selected toiba ko so with this question number 34 to understand the Romani question number 35 to let's see what is the theme of the World Sustainable Development Summit 2025 World Sustainable Development Summit 2025 के theme je karino nangi ko option mari pide climate action for the world renewable energy for sustainable development and partnership for accelerating sustainable development and climate solutions global goals for the future and option mari pide and here the correct option is that is option number C partnership for accelerating sustainable development and climate solutions je World Sustainable Development Summit 2025 ki theme ni ko ma so then understand the Viramani with this question number 36 to continue to see who has been appointed as the executive director of RBI ki executive director when recently kana appointed to bunon hangi ko Raghuram Ranjan Urjit Patel Viral Austria Ajit Ratnakar Joshi and option mari pide ko and here the correct option is kedoba that is option number D Ajit Ratnakar Joshi has been appointed as the executive director at RBI ko RBI the executive director when appointed to ko marks karamba date the effective when appointed to kino hana hangak target with effect from March 3 ko March 3 2025 to be effective ko so with this next question the continue to question number 37 the government has approved the construction of 12.9 kilometer roadway from Songprayak to which pilgrimage site Songprayak tagina karamba pilgrimage site me am like krumbam site to buni ko Doitardi yengase Badrinath Fugla, Kedarnath Fugla, Vaishno Devi Fugla, Amarnath Fugla ko. And here the correct option is that is option number B, Badrinath Fugni ko. Government approved to buni ko. Aduga with an amount of 40 at 1 crore ko. So with this next question, okay. Aroiba question oira me hojik idun me amanta weekly current affairs from 1st March to 9 March foki koi important events sing gilaw khalak labo question sing ni ko. Aduga PDF amasung important updates ki damakta me amna and daily quizzes ki damakta agi Telegram channel se join tokshin biro hida scan tarogara or I description the link choidana hapcharamge or WhatsApp paiba mi gisu WhatsApp group WhatsApp channel leje adum join tokshin biro I description the link hapcharamge aduga mayamna agi channel sitagi kana ba khajiktang oisu phangbi na khanbi taragadi soidana like share musu subscribe toba kaubiganu hana ningsingjari masi harakanda mayambo amona thagatchari thank you mayam